Magandang umaga po. Ako si Sweli Espiritu Peña Flor, ay inyong lingkod na naka-assign sa Bicol Region. I joined PBL because it jives with my mission in life. I want to explore more possible areas of cooperation because as the global economic situation deteriorates, we find that the worst victims are finally not market or companies, but people. That is advantage, especially the poor children and youth, along with their elderly. The current economic crisis affected their situation as one social family. Lives are on the line and futures are being snuffed out. We must act and intervene today whenever we can. Every individual saved from extreme poverty and misery can make a difference. Every individual rescued from deprivation, abuse, and neglect can enrich our human society. Thank God for Bullion Buyer has come right on time as an instrument for the realization of God's plan here on earth, where love, peace, and unity prevails. It's nice to see our country great again. Sa aking paniniwala, ito ay hindi scam. Dahil ang pagkakaintindi ko ng scam, ito ay asking for money, goods, services, or favors with a promise of returning the same but with no intent of making good out of it. In short, ito ay isang con game o purely panglulukong. It is not the case of BBL dahil walang pinipilit na sumali as this is a voluntary and no amount of money is involved or being asked. Kung mayroon mang 2,000 given by volunteer fields, ito ay para magamit upang maipalaganap ang noble intention ng BBL sa pangunguna nila RD at PD. Marami pong salamat. Rest assured that we will continuously give our active participation to Bullion Buyer the best way we can. God bless us all. Marami pong salamat.